Ayushmann Khurrana. To make a cup of coffee from my head. The mess in the house. Good morning, muffins. This is Miss Muffin, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My skin is skinning today, and I feel so happy about it. Also, today I will be sharing a realistic day in my life. Realistic because I myself don't know what I'll do after what, because I'm not following any routine today. It will be just impromptu or whatever I feel like doing today, because today is a off day from my internship classes. So it's just me and my space and my time and everything. So let's start the day. Whenever I step into my washroom, the first thing that I do is open up my hair and comb it very nicely and gently. I don't hurry, I just do it very slowly. Have some trust on me, guys. This really works. Your entire body calms down, and I really love the feeling. I had straight hair, like not naturally, but I did hair straightening. But lately, I felt that no, I'll keep my natural hair. I'll just do a lot of pampering with it. I have lately seen Ayushmann Khurrana posted this reel where he sang Sadi Gali Aaja Sanu Janwani. Though I am a terrible singer, still love singing. But Ayushmann Khurrana, we were not ready for this. I love it. The condition of toothpaste in Indian households. Well, there is a lot of things that I have ordered for my washroom and also for my bedroom, for my living room, and I will be soon posting a video of its makeover. Like, I am so excited. Subscribe to see those videos. I have been incorporating this one good habit. Early in the morning, I drink one whole bottle of water. So I'm into my kitchen and I want to make something very healthy today. No snacking in the breakfast just because it's a off day for me. So I am cutting out cabbages, carrots, capsicum, and I will be grading all of that. And I will be using this dressing sauce. This is from Viva, and this has a low calorie, no sugar dressing sauce, and this is really tasty. It doesn't mean that dieting foods has to be tasteless and all. I don't believe in that. So I got this recipe, of course, from Pinterest, and let's make it. And I'm really excited to taste, because off days are always about chatpate khane, like vada pav and all of that. But today I felt to do a bit different. Your girl is trying to be that girl, step by step, slowly, and the day I'll truly become that, or I'll just go 60% to it, I definitely post a video. It is so hard. Summer is actually in. I was there at the kitchen for 30 minutes and I am already sweating, but I love sandwiches. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा sandwiches पसंद है. So I made this sandwich myself. Can you see? This is a coleslaw sandwich and love it. This is so good. Some ketchup just to make it sweet. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा स्वीट टूथ है, बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा. I mean, अगर मेरी बस चले तो I live on pastries, muffins and all. That's also my YouTube name, but I can't due to my diet routine. This is so good. I mean, so good. Summers are in and it's so out here. I'll show you the moment I step into my balcony. I'm doing a little bit of gardening, like I'm trying my best. I need to water this plant, I guess. Yeah. This is a money plant. It's a cute little turtle. This is a very new, it still has to grow a lot. Okay, so I'm again inside my kitchen, and you know the reason, right? It's for coffee time. Whenever I make coffee, I have this song in my mind playing. I don't exactly know the lyrics, but it's like to make a cup of coffee for my. This is something I once listened to Instagram, and I was like, oh, this is so nice. It gives that vibe of making coffee on a slow living day. Okay, so I'm here with my coffee. So good. So I will be planning my Instagram reel ideas now. It's very new that I have opened one Instagram account because I was always into YouTube. But I will be planning my reels right away. Hi Muffin. So I just finished shooting the reel. So it's a Desi code reel. I mean, just see the look with kajal and lipstick and this jhumka and my most favorite Julia. So I loved how the reel turned out, and I'll show the mess in the house just after shooting one reel. Because मुझे ये sunlight चाहिए था, this one, okay, from this window. This is the condition of my bed, and this is the condition of my jewelry. Everything is such a mess right now. Anyways, but I loved shooting this reel. It turned out to be so pretty. Now I need to do a lot of skincare, remove my makeup. So let's come. Hi muffins. So I am back after few hours. Actually क्या हुआ था ना, makeup remove करने के बाद I actually fell asleep. Yes. क्योंकि आज थी छुट्टी के दिन. My internship classes were off. So I just took a little nap. Although little nap turned into a big nap. I woke up and I saw कि बाहर already अंधेरा हो गई है. Like it's almost 7 p.m. I was like, shit. But it's okay. It's fine some days. So I am thinking to invest this evening in a lot of productive things, like a lot of skincare. Also, I need to wash my clothes. So let's start. Hello. So I am back, and my final thing that I will do now before I have my dinner is some clay mask. I have already cleansed my face. This is from Innisfree. I love it. I don't have a wide, big, flat brush, so I have to use this. So you have to wait for 10 minutes before you rinse this off. So I decided to just relax on my couch with a glass of juice and read a book. So this is the book I have been currently reading. I am a big and a huge fan of Durjay Datta. I'm a full-on filmy person. I'm someone who enjoys Bollywood rom-coms, any kind of love stories, any kind of. So I am currently reading this World's Best Boyfriend. I'm just loving it. I love reading love fictional books. Okay, so finally it's time to rinse it off. I am at my washroom. I feel so fresh, so much. I love my skin. Okay, so now I'll take a shower, and also I need to wash my clothes before I take a shower. So after doing all this, मुझ में जान नहीं बचेगी. So I'll have my dinner, go off to sleep. So we will meet up on some other vlog. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Cheers!